Butler and Saunders
Counties
temperature
until
of 1:30 a.m. At 1:03 a.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Cedar Bluffs to near Grisham. Movement was southeast at 35 miles per hour. Wind gusts of 50 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Seward, Wahoo, David City, Valley, Utica, Cedar Bluffs, Valparaiso, Meade, Beaver Crossing, Rising City, Brainerd, Weston, Prague, Staplehurst, Garland, Dwight, B, Ulysses, Ceresco, and Malcolm. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 385. The National Weather Service